America is still the world's largest economy. Wall Street is booming, artificial intelligence is exploding, and billion-dollar companies are reporting record profits. So why are more Americans sleeping in cars, skipping meals, and living paycheck to paycheck than at any point in recent years? Across the United States, a quiet collapse is unfolding. Not through war, not through a market crash, but through something slower and potentially more dangerous: extreme poverty. And in 2026, the warning signs are becoming impossible to ignore. For years, America projected an image of stability and wealth. But beneath that image, millions of families have been pushed to the edge by rising housing costs, medical debt, inflation, automation, and a shrinking middle class. In major cities like Los Angeles, New York City, and Chicago, homelessness has surged dramatically. Tent encampments now stretch beneath highways, near office towers, and outside luxury neighborhoods. But this crisis is no longer limited to big cities. Small towns across Texas, Ohio, and West Virginia are reporting growing food insecurity, rising evictions, and collapsing local services. For many Americans, survival has become a daily calculation. Can they pay rent? Can they afford groceries? Can they survive one medical emergency? And increasingly, the answer is no. Social media has also amplified the psychological impact of the crisis. Every day, millions scroll through luxury lifestyles online while struggling to pay for basic necessities in real life. The gap between perception and reality is becoming emotionally explosive. Meanwhile, political division continues to deepen. Both major parties blame each other. But for ordinary Americans, frustration is turning into distrust toward the entire system. Because while politicians debate, the cost of living keeps rising. Food banks across the country report increasing demand. Shelters are overwhelmed. And charities say they are seeing more first-time families asking for help than ever before. What makes this situation especially alarming is that much of it remains hidden. Many struggling Americans still have jobs. They still own smartphones. They still appear normal from the outside. But financially, millions are one missed paycheck away from collapse. That is the new face of poverty in America. Not always visible, but everywhere. And the long-term consequences could be massive. Economic inequality historically creates social instability. When large parts of a population feel locked out of opportunity, trust in institutions begins to collapse. History has shown this pattern repeatedly across nations and empires. The question now is whether America can reverse course before the pressure becomes irreversible. Can wages catch up? Can housing become affordable again? Can the middle class survive the next decade? Or is this the beginning of a much larger transformation inside the world's most powerful economy? Because in 2026, the warning signs are no longer isolated incidents. They are becoming a national pattern, and the world is watching closely.